Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. Today we're building set 76274. Batman with the Batmobile versus Harley Quinn and Mr. Freeze. Probably the longest title I've had for a Lego set in a long time. 435 pieces, and you get the animated series Batman. So there's all this dark blue. You get the animated Batman minifigure as well as animated Mr. Freeze and Harley Quinn, which I believe the animated Batman, this is the first time we've seen this in Lego. I could be wrong. I think it was also in the Gotham City art set as well. But so a newer minifig in the collection are all three of these, and Mr. Freeze actually looks pretty good. Let's take a look at the back of the box. It does have a specifications plate. It looks like it is built to be displayed on a turntable. And this is just, really looking forward to building this. I have a couple other Batman sets, and this one actually looks really, really nice. Managed to get this one on sale, almost half off the original retail price. I found it at Walmart, and that's why I picked this up, and I'm glad I have it. I'm looking forward to building it. So, let's get to it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my review of the Batmobile from the animated series. The long title, I'm not going to say that too many times on camera here, but this is really nice. Animated series Batmobile. I believe I have 3 different versions of the Batmobile. I have this one, I have the classic black Batmobile, and I have the classic Batman with Adam West. That Batmobile. This thing is an 8-stud wide at the narrow point, but at the back it widens out to 10 studs. So it's almost Speed Champion width, which is interesting. Stud shooters on the hood, pretty cool little thing there. And then because you get this effect by the wedge plates right here in the front, the cockpit does open, and you can position Batman cape and all. And that's one thing that's pretty cool about this. This Batman minifigure here comes with that rubberized cape element, which I like that a lot better than the cloth capes, to be honest. It's just more dynamic that way to me. But you don't have to take the cape off to fit him inside the Batmobile, which is actually a pretty neat little feature. You spin the tires, it spins the turbine flame, like it's done that on a couple other Batmobiles that I've seen, of course. And then, of course, we have a little turntable right here to position it on, with the specifications plaque sticker piece right here. And then, of course, we have the minifigures. I just showed you the Batman. We've also got the Harley Quinn, animated series Harley Quinn. I believe this one, as of filming, this one's also available in the Gotham City art set. So if you wanted a new Harley Quinn, this is a cheaper way to get this one, complete with hammer and all. And Mr. Freeze, pretty cool transparent dome piece right there. He's got a stud shooter as well with light aqua studs there, purple hands on his torso, no arm printing or side of leg detail, unfortunately, for this one. Still pretty cool minifigure selection. I don't want to take a minute to talk about the process that I used in building this set. If you've made it this far to the review, you've seen the video, and you see that this one was, for like 95% of it was stop motion filming. I'm experimenting with different types of build techniques, trying to expand my knowledge of, filming and building and everything like that. And this was a good set to try that out on. I've done it in like smaller builds, but I wanted to step up a little bit and do one in this size. And it was interesting. I actually had to start on step 13 to begin this build. I had to start with some of these pieces, like this tile right here, the couple of the square ones. I had to start with those first as the foundation, lay everything else on top of that, and kind of work my way backwards a little bit to get everything where it lined up right. It took some trial and error. Took a lot longer to film this one than normal if I just had it on camera and did, a standard build. Taking an individual photo after every piece was put on, it took a while. 435 piece set took quite a bit of photos to get this coming together, but I believe the effect was worth it. I enjoyed the stop motion. I don't think I will use it all the time, especially not when I get into some larger builds. But smaller things, polybags, smaller sets, I might come back to it, especially if the build really allows for it. Some builds are just too complicated to allow for a stop motion build, in my opinion. I know there are some stop motion Lego creators out there. I know there's one I follow. I love following this creator, All New Bricks, here on YouTube. He is phenomenal with his stop motion. He goes weeks sometimes between builds on his channel, and but the effects are so worth it, and they're so entertaining and clean and polished. I only wish that someday I could be as clean and polished as that. And that actually really brings me to the end of this review. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more content. And please consider following me on my other socials, all of which are linked in the description of this video and in my bio, so go check all those out. And that'll do it for today, guys. Keep on building. Bye.